We go for fourth part, bolt and fifth part nut. So bolt dimensions is M12. Go for clear parametric. So already palette is there. So palette means library. So already this profile is created. So just and pick and place the center position. Give OK. And the bolt is 12. M12 says, so give dimensions 12. Give OK. And extrude up to 8 mm. So give 8. Give OK. And select the surface. Sketch view. Circle diameter is 12. Give OK. And extruded. So extruded up to 34 plus 18. 34 plus 18. 52. Okay. Now the select sweep, helical sweep, and references. Select the sweep profile, define, use sketch view, and create a line. Just project. And go for line. The line is up to thread width to 14 up to 18. Change the value up to 18. Give OK. And give a center line. And delete the projected areas. Give OK. And select the create a line. Hit OK. The material is removed. So to select the both sides. So select the both sides. So extrude up to 18 mm. So thread is created. So give OK. The material is added. So go for edit option. Material is removed. Material is removed. So file, save as, part number is 4. Give OK. Next we choose for a net. File, new, OK. Choose the plane. So for sketch view. And fifth part, nut dimensions is M12 and extruded value is 10. Go for palette, fixated, just pick the center position. Give the values 12 and create a circle. Circle diameter is 12. Give OK. Extrude. So extrude distance is 10. Give OK. Go for round option. Auto round. Bolt is created. File. Save as part number 5. The next video, so all the 5 parts is created. The next video, go for assemble of flange coupling. Thank you.